Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by signing into Sign Request and confirming your account. This ensures documents are legally trackable. Once done, set your organization name and optional logo so recipients see familiar branding. Next, upload the document you want signed, PDF or DocX works best, then add signer emails in the order you want. Make sure to specify signer roles and deadlines because that controls workflow. Finally, choose whether to collect attachments or checkbox confirmations before moving to tagging and placement. Now you'll position signature and form fields precisely where you want them. Drag signature, date, text, or checkbox elements into place. As you do this, mark fields as required to prevent incomplete submissions and assign each field to the correct signer so approvals land with the right person. Once fields are set, configure routing order if signers act sequentially, and enable email or SMS reminders and optional authentication to improve security. Doing this reduces back and forth and speeds final completion. Finish by composing a concise message, setting an expiration date, and sending the request. That prompts signers immediately. Then monitor the dashboard to track views, pending signatures, and completed documents so you know when to follow up. Once fully signed, download the final signed PDF and store it in your records or connected cloud storage. If something goes wrong, try resending the request, updating signer email addresses, or enabling stronger authentication, like SMS, to resolve identity or delivery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.